How to pause Instagram Reel. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, you have to go ahead and launch your Instagram application. Make sure that your application is up to date and you are logged into your account. Now once you are in your account, you have to go ahead and check out your Reel section by tapping on the Reel icon. When you just tap on the video, you will see that it actually mutes and unmutes. So how can we actually pause it? So all you have to do is actually press and hold onto the video to pause the reel. As you can see, I'm pressed and holding this reel. And if you let go of it, it will start playing. So yeah, it is that simple. So go ahead and give this a try. One more time, let me show you. All you have to do is press and hold onto the reel to pause it. Let go if you want to start playing it. Isn't it simple? So it is a very easy process. However, if you face any of the glitch issue, follow this next step. Press and hold onto your Instagram application. Tap on App Info. Force stop it. Then head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Now once you do this, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram in the search bar. Check for an update for the application. If not, try by uninstalling and reinstalling once again. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.